Hey guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you some motivation to just get some stuff done. So I'm going to be doing a clean slash cook with me video. So I have been waking up early every single morning. So now I wake up at 6 and after my run I get a few different errands in before I have to go and take Scarlett to school. So everything you're seeing I got done before 8:30 in the morning. So I highly urge you guys to go ahead and just wake up a little bit earlier. And today is a collaboration with my good friend Misty. Her channel name is simply Misty. Misty is killing it on her weight loss journey. She also does Dollar Tree hauls. And she just shares her weight loss journey, which I absolutely love. So definitely go and check her video out. Subscribe if you are not already subscribed. And all of the items that I am using in this video, I actually got from the Grove Collaborative website. I'll have a link below for you guys. You can get a free Mrs. Meyer's set with your first purchase, and they have some sales running on Mrs. Meyer's currently. So definitely head to their website, use my link, and get a free Mrs. Meyer's set. So in the morning time, I like to get my dishes out of the way. There's nothing I love more than looking at a clean sink, because if you have a sink full of dirty dishes, your house is probably going to smell too. So I got these garbage disposal tabs from the Grove Collaborative website. All you do is you pop them into your sink and then you want to run some hot water. So while I was running the water, I didn't want to be super wasteful with it, so I went ahead and just washed all of Tanner's bottles in the process, because you need to run the water for 1 to 2 minutes. So I was like, well, might as well just wash all the bottles. So I went ahead and got that done. I'm an opportunist. Anytime I see an opening to get something done, I just get it done. So comment below if you were also an opportunist. So now that Tanner is crawling all over the place, I need to keep these floors clean. So I literally am sweeping probably 3 to 4 times a day. We have 2 dogs, and I just don't want Tanner, getting too much stuff on him. But I swear I should put a little Swifter on him so that when he is crawling the floor, that he can kind of pick up some dust along the way. So I might try that. So I am literally just going through all of our floors downstairs, and I am just sweeping everything up. And again, I do this like 4 times a day, because as you will see, my beautiful Labrador Charlie, he is in prime shedding season, so there is dog hair everywhere all the time. So I need to keep the floors clean. There's Charlie. Oh, and there's Porter too. So something else that I do is I make sure I start a load of laundry. Laundry is constantly cycling in this house because there is 5 of us total. So the washer is always going. So I use my downstairs stairs as like my laundry basket for the kids, like PJs and stuff. So first thing I do is I plop everything in the wash and I get a load going. So if I start a load at like 7, my goal is to have the laundry done by the end of the day. And something that I struggle with is the folding. I hate folding clothes. I am that person that will rerun the dryer like 4 times to avoid folding. But I stopped doing that, and I just, bite the bullet every time, and I just fold the clothes and put them away. And that is my biggest tip when it comes to laundry, is just fold it immediately, put it away immediately, and your laundry will be a lot easier. So like I said, it is shedding season, so I use my little Dyson V7. You guys, if you have not purchased this vacuum, you need to, because it's a lifesaver. If you have pets, you definitely need one of these. So I'm going to link it below for you guys to go ahead and snag one. Highly recommend. Favorite vacuum by far. Best Black Friday purchase I have ever purchased in my life. I kid you not. So something else that I have been doing is being mindful of cleaning my windowsills on the inside and the outside, because, spider season, creepy crawly season. So what I like to do, first I'm going to do a little happy dance because I love cleaning. I just wash my windows with the hose to get any like spider webs and any creepy crawleries that may decide to come in. So now I'm going to go ahead and prep our dinner. So what I decided to do, I'm on Weight Watchers. If you guys didn't know, I was on the keto diet, but I opted to just transition back into Weight Watchers, but I am making some turkey burgers. So if you get the leanest ground turkey that Jenny O sells, it's 0 points. So what I'm doing is I am chopping up some bell peppers because I like to get vegetables in us as much as possible. So I'm just chopping them up, and then I'm actually adding them into the turkey meat, and I am just popping my turkey burgers in the air fryer. And I got this handy tip from Nicole Burgess. If you guys are not following her, you definitely need to. She is killing it on the keto diet as well. But she's the one that gave me the idea to throw them in the air fryer. If you guys have not purchased an air fryer, you need to, because this thing is like a lifesaver. So I no longer set off the smoke detector when I'm trying to grill my turkey burgers or my bacon on the stovetop. So if you're someone who burns stuff all the time, get an air fryer, because my husband was getting tired of the smoke alarm going off, as were probably my neighbors. My mom does the same thing. She always burns bacon and the smoke detector goes off. So I'm just adding some McCormick hamburger seasoning and mixing the bell peppers in with the turkey meat. And adding it into the air fryer. I think it's 400 degrees for 7 minutes on each side. So this was an easy dinner that I just went ahead and threw together. And then I just needed to wait for it to be dinner time, and then I was able to reheat it. So I always love to prep dinner in the morning time, so I don't even have to think about it as it gets later on in the day when I just don't want to do anything else. So I highly suggest you either prep your dinners beforehand or early in the morning. So just a little tip. So I hope this video gave you some inspiration to get off your butt and get some stuff done, because honestly, who loves doing chores? I typically don't like doing chores, but it's just something that just needs to get done. It's adulting, it's momming, it's dadding, it's whatever you want to call it. You just need to get your crap done, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, go and check out Misty from Simply Misty. And if you are coming from Misty's channel to my channel, hi, my name is Gina Schweppe. I like to throw all sorts of content on this channel. I don't play by the YouTube rules. I pretty much just post what I want. I do a little couponing, I do a little cleaning, I do a little beauty, I do a little all sorts. So if you guys want to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and join my YouTube family, I would love to have you. So I will talk to you guys all later. Have a fantastic Thursday, and I love you guys so much. Bye.